Good morning students, welcome to the session on Excel Foundation. In our previous lecture we have seen table styles. Okay. Why we need table styles? In order to make our table content in an attractive manner, we will be using the table styles. Okay. In order to go for table styles, we need to create the table. By being in the table, you people will be having a design tab over here. When you are clicking onto the design tab, at the last you people will be having a group called table styles. In that you people will be having quick style. You can select the styles according to your requirements. And not only that, you people can create your own table style. Okay, you can create. You can use the existing table styles, or else you can create your own table style. How we will be creating that table style, that we are going to see in our today's session. Okay, I hope it is clear what we are going to discuss in today's session. That is creation of table style. We can use the existing table styles, or else we can create our own table styles. Now let us see how we will create that particular table style. Okay, now I will be taking the yesterday's chart or else yesterday's information, and I will be converting. See, do remember the steps how we are converting the range into table. Just select the content and go for insert tab and click on table. So that just click on your my table has headers checkbox, then click on OK. Your range will become table now. Okay, when we are in a table, then only your design tab will appear until or unless you are in table range. Okay, then the design tab will appear. Already we have discussed about this: header, rows, first column, total, last column. Okay, and we have seen quick access or as quick styles, I can say. See, by seeing this, and you can place your cursor wherever you want in the styles, and by observing the table style, you can choose your table styles. Okay, according to the requirement. So suppose if I am selecting this, the table style will look like this. Okay, but suppose if you want to modify the content, if you want to have a new style for your table, okay, you can observe it on the screen. This is the style that is there in your Excel sheet by default. Okay, but if you want to say that if you want to create your own style, then how it will be created? Just observe on your screen. You are having a quick styles. In the quick styles itself, when you are going for design tab, at the last you are having table styles. In this you are having quick styles. When you are clicking onto this, your people are having new table style over here. Okay, you can see this now. Okay, click on this new style and you can make the changes. Whole table or as first column, only first column. Just you can have the strip size. Say suppose if I am making it as 4. Okay, second column you can make the strip size, and third column, third row, first row. The differences has been given in your table styles. Not like that only. These are the strips where you want to change any changes. Last column, you can format the last column. If I am giving some color to the last column, say suppose if I am giving a blue color over here, okay, and just click on OK for last column, and already first column strip I have given, and first row strip. No, first row, not second row. Okay, I will go for the second row strip and I will format it. I will be giving some other color here. Click on OK, and say suppose if I want to have a strikes onto this, then I will go for header row. In a header row, I will give the border as well as strike. Okay, so suppose if I am giving this border, and in a font I am giving the strikes. Okay, strike through. Click on OK. These are the modifications that have been given by me. It is not there in default. Okay, these are the options that I made. Okay, see here the second strip is given with some values or else some color, and last column is given with the blue. This is the preview. Okay, this is the preview. By seeing the preview, you can understand what we are going to do. Okay, say suppose if your first strip is change it to some 2, then go for click on OK. Set as a default table with style for this document. Okay, you can have that under the table styles. Just set as default table. Okay, click on OK. Now see, When you are going for the table styles, it will be the same one. But when you want to apply that table style, just click on the table and go to your design tab. In this quick styles only, you people will be available with a new style that is given by you. Okay. In these styles, I'm not having any strike through. Okay. But in our style, I have given some strike through in our header. See this. Okay. Like this. Okay, and the border. Okay, this is how we have given some design. We have made some style to your table, I can say. This is how we will be creating a new styles. When you are having any default style which is not satisfying you people, then you can create your own style. In order to create your own style, you need to follow the steps like you need to be in a table. And after being in the table, you people will be having a design tab. In the design tab, you people will be having quick style drop down list. Okay. By clicking on this, you people will be having new style. Okay. By clicking on this, you people will be opened with a new window. There you can select some styles. Okay. And then click on OK. Then you people will be available with the new styles. Okay, just I will go through it once again. I will create one more style here. I will be in the table and I will go with the design tab, and I will go with the quick access toolbar, and I will go with new style. Okay, here I will go for pose table and I will be going through strike through. Okay, for everything I will be giving a strike through. This is one more kind of style. Okay, just I will be giving some color. I will be saying some border, dotted lines. Click on OK. Then see what will happen. Okay, now click on OK. Then you can see this particular whatever the thing that I have changed. Okay, that will be given as a new style for you people. See the second one. Second one is a new style. Click on this so that you people will be having a strike through in all the columns and rows. Why? Because I have made that. Okay, like this you people can create your own styles in your worksheets. Okay, this is how we will be creating our own styles and how we will be using the styles that are available in your worksheet. I hope it is clear. See you in the next one. Thank you.